Hello family, welcome new family members. Today I'm going to make spinach dip. My husband wants spinach dip with Hawaiian rolls. And if I can get him to eat anything green, hey, I'm going to make it. Okay, come join me.
Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add 2 cups of sour cream. And 1 cup of mayonnaise. Now I'm going to add 1 can of water chestnuts that I chopped up into tiny pieces. Add that. And now I am going to add, instead of green onions, I'm going to add, I had some red onions that I had chopped up, so I'm going to use those. And then I'm going to add 1 package of the Knorr's vegetable recipe mix. Okay, I'm going to give this a mix. My husband loves this dip, so I am just so happy. At least he's getting some kind of vegetable. That's what's important. I love it too. Now, this is going to have to sit in the fridge for a while to get cold. Now I'm going to add a 10-ounce package of frozen spinach, chopped spinach that I cooked in the bag in the microwave, and then I let it, I drained it, I drained it really well, squeezed it actually. So now I'm just going to mix this up in here. Mix it really good. It is so simple. I think this is something that I could make when my granddaughter is here. I bet she could help me do something like this for Christmas. Yes. It's a great idea. Now, we're just going to put this in the fridge to let it cool down. And we'll be back later.
Thank you for joining me today for spinach dip with Hawaiian rolls. So yummy. We're gonna try it now. Okay, I'm gonna try this on yummy bread. So good. Finger licking good. Yummy. Here, have a bite. Have a bite. There you go. Very good. Yeah, my dog is wagging his tail. My husband is nodding his head. Yes, yes. So, I don't know if she likes sour cream, but I don't know if she's like spinach, but we'll see. She can't have the onions, so I have to get a piece with no onion in it. Would you like to try this? Here, let's show. There we go. She couldn't wait. She couldn't wait till I was done. Thanks for joining me today. And I just appreciate all of you as my family. Thank you so much for being part of this little easy thing. It's so easy, even your kids will be able to, and your grandkids can do it. So we'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.